Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Let me show you a really fast and simple trick that can help keep your computer secure in seconds. Maybe you're stepping away from your desk. Maybe someone just walked into the room. Or maybe you just don't want anyone touching your files while you're gone. Whatever the reason, this shortcut is something every Windows 11 user should know. All right, here's the trick. All you need to do is press the Windows key and the letter L at the same time. That's Windows plus L. The moment you press those two keys together, your screen locks instantly and takes you straight to the sign-in screen. No delays, no extra steps. And just like that, anyone who wants to use the computer will need your password, PIN, or fingerprint to get back in. Simple, fast, and very effective. This shortcut is perfect for offices, classrooms, shared spaces, or even at home when you just want a little extra privacy. And that's it. One shortcut, instant security. Thanks for watching on Zimist Coded. If you enjoy quick and useful tech tips like this, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.